Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Ay, yura, Donnie Pangilinan, pinakilig si Bel Mariano. Inamin kasi ni Donnie Pangilinan sa harap ng kamera, wag kayo sa harap pa ng girlfriend kay Bel Mariano, na siya ang pinakamagandang Filipino girl para sa kanya. Say niya, yeah, hindi ako nagsisinungaling. You were just like the prettiest Filipino I've seen. I always tell you that, like with all the Asians that you see on Instagram or anything, I feel like you are the prettiest one. Like, not just prettiest, you have like this charm that like, basta just drives me na like that. Ang ganda niya. Basta ang ganda niya, inside and out.